Hi, Dr. Kiltz. How are you?
Spectacular. Another beautiful day, and
It is.
happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you. All about givings and thanks.
It's all about giving, yes, and we're sort of moving into the holiday season, and it can be a stressful time.
It absolutely can. It absolutely can. I have a lot of clients approach me during the holiday season, especially getting together with friends and family, and they're enjoying their time with their friends and family, but also feeling that loss and that need that they need even more.
Conflict.
Mm-hmm.
I was listening to something about conflict and criticism, and how sometimes we think it's not a good thing.
Yes.
But in fact, it may be all part of the creative process to kind of help push us, to move us, to help us grow and learn. So rather than running away from it, we sometimes need to move into it.
Yes.
And these challenging times, the holidays, for many infertile couples can be very difficult. And there's a tendency to want to hide and stay away and not get out there. And at the same time, I think it's something you have to move to do one step at a time during this time.
Absolutely.
Is really important. Some other things that people can do through the process is journal about it.
Yes.
Write down your feelings and your thoughts. When you are thinking about it and it's churning in there, it can be more detrimental, but when you write it down, you can visualize it and see it in a different frame, and it helps you get it off and get it out there. And counseling and talking to either an individual counselor or a support group can be really important to do. And you want to be able to grow through this process. And for whatever reason, I sometimes think that what we are given are actually gifts. These problems that we have help us grow and change and be more creative in the process, as hard and challenging as they can be.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And I always like to remind clients that when you feel anger or resentment, it's a roadblock. And it's going to stop you from maybe finding a different path or finding a new path. Maybe if we can move past that anger and move through the anger and the resentment and those feelings of depression, we can find a different avenue like yoga or acupuncture or a different treatment. And that may be just what we need. But being able to take a step back away from that roadblock and think a little bit outside the box sometimes helps.
It does. And these are often experiences that most of us don't have any experience with. Many of us haven't done yoga or haven't been in a support group and don't want to share the story, and things like acupuncture. And so I think that as you begin to talk to others who have experienced it, get a book and read a book that's going to help maybe tell a story about what others have gone through, because this isn't new. We humans have been experiencing all of this for thousands and thousands of years. And during these holiday family times that add to more stress and challenges, I think it really is an important thing to do, is to talk about it, to share the story. There are a lot of blogs out there to share your story. It's good to do, and talk to someone close to you. Talk to your fertility expert if they have some resources, and there are many resources out there. And check out our website at cnyfertility.com. And I always talk about my Mind, Body, Smile website, because we also throw out some ideas that are about how to take care of the mind, which will then filter to the body and give you a smile every day. So I think that's really important. So
thank you very much for sharing with us, especially during this holiday season. I know our clients appreciate it.
Yeah, no, I think that is really important for all of us, is to connect and share the story. And when you're upset and angry, share with someone, and you'll know that the support right there. So God bless and enjoy.
Thank you. Have a great week.
Thanks, Lisa.